Hi everyone, I'm Annalisa from CSC Global Solutions. Welcome. I hope you're all doing well and that you have enjoyed your summer break. Today, I'd like to talk to you about a series of webinars that we are going to host on our new platform, cscglobalsolutions.com. Those workshops are going to be about aircraft management. They're going to be 2 hours long, an hour and a half presentation, and 30 minutes Q&A. The topics that we are going to cover are aircraft management in general, airworthiness management, flight operations in relation to aircraft management, and transition aircraft. These workshops will be hosted by myself, Brett Peters, and for the flight operations workshop, we are going to be joined by Captain Lindsay Cadenhead. The first workshop is about aircraft management. We are going to talk about the importance of understanding what aircraft management is, the coordination between flight operation, airworthiness and maintenance, the different parties involved, their duties, their responsibilities, and how they work together. And we're going to achieve this by offering and overviewing different operational scenarios. You can go on our website, cscglobalsolutions.com/workshops, to see the full agenda of this workshop. The second workshop is about airworthiness management. We are going to talk about what airworthiness management is and its fundamental role in aircraft management. As we all know, aircraft come with things to do, and with this workshop you'll gain insight on how to manage them and why. It's a very vast topic, but it's an important one to understand. Airworthiness helps ensure safety and improve aircraft operations. The third workshop is about flight operations in relation to aircraft management. Many of us see flight operations and airworthiness and maintenance as three different entities that speak to one another only in specific circumstances and when necessary. They are indeed three separate entities, but they influence each other very much. In this workshop, we are going to be joined by Captain Lindsay Cadenhead, and with him we are going to go through the importance of understanding flight operations role in aircraft management, duties and responsibilities of the flight ops department, how the flight ops department interfaces with airworthiness and maintenance, the importance of customizations of manuals, and different reporting responsibilities. This is going to be a very interesting workshop because it merges the flight operations experience of Lindsay with our airworthiness and maintenance and regulatory background of CSC Global Solutions. For more information about Lindsay Cadenhead, please go to our website, cscglobalsolutions.com/workshop, and click on Flight Operation Workshop. You'll find his bio on our page. The last workshop is about transition aircraft. Due to world events, many aircraft are transitioning very fast amongst lessors and operators. Many civil aviation authorities now have specific programs and processes in place to manage efficiently these transition aircraft. Knowing the different requirements is key to managing these aircraft effectively, avoiding delays that often translates into financial losses for lessors and operators. Another aspect that is very important to understand is the different role of continuing airworthiness management organizations, flight operations, maintenance, and the role of the lessors. For the complete agenda of these workshops, details and costs, please visit cscglobalsolutions.com/workshops. As I said, this workshop will be live webinars hosted on our platform, and we're going to start on October 9th with aircraft management, October 23rd with airworthiness management, November 6th flight operations, and November 27th transition aircraft. If you can't attend these webinars, don't worry. We are going to upload the recording on our platform and you will be able to review the replay. These workshops can be purchased on our website, and you can purchase them individually or all together in our all-in-one package. With our all-in-one package, you will be able to attend all these 4 workshops, have lifetime access to your library to review the replay of these webinars as many times as you want. You will have certificate of attendance, a free consultation with the CSC Global Solution representative, all access to the presentations and material that we will be sharing with you with these webinars. These workshops are on sale right now on our platform. and early bird prices are available now until September 24th. Now let's talk briefly about who should participate in these workshops and why. And I'd like to start with accountable managers and lessors representatives. We've seen many times in our careers situations where managers misjudge a situation due to the lack of understanding of aircraft management processes or the lack of understanding the duties and responsibilities of the different parties involved in aircraft management or in a specific project. We've spoken with different colleagues and clients, and many of them experienced situations where a lessor representative didn't follow the appropriate protocols, and that caused delays in the entire process. With these workshops, we think managers can get a better understanding of the aircraft management processes and dynamics, understanding the different duties and responsibilities and challenges of flight operations department, airworthiness and maintenance, and how they have to work together, and be better equipped and better prepared for the next project and get to the wanted results efficiently and effortlessly. Now, let's talk about airworthiness engineers and CAMO representatives. Why should they participate in these workshops? Well, getting to know all the aspects of aircraft management and airworthiness takes time and effort. You also have to have the possibility to be exposed to different environments, different scenarios, in order to experience different aspects of aircraft management. And that, like I said, takes time and it doesn't happen for everyone. So with these workshops, we want to provide useful insights to these professionals about aircraft management and airworthiness that hopefully it will help them in their future projects and give them a 360 view of aircraft management and the important role that they play in it. Now, what about pilots, aircraft maintenance engineers, MROs, repair stations? We have seen many times the results of the disconnection between flight operations, maintenance, and airworthiness. This disconnection often results in delays that often results in costs for the maintenance organization or the operator or the lessor. We strongly recommend these professionals to participate in these workshops in order to understand the dynamic of aircraft management and the important role that they play in it. We also recommend pilots and aircraft maintenance engineers who are looking to step into aircraft management to participate in these workshops in order to understand the dynamic of it and the different mindset that they have to understand and embrace. Aviation students. Aircraft management and airworthiness are generally not taught in school. I myself attended different aviation schools, and I know what I know today because of the different jobs and positions that I held in different companies. We talked to different professionals and colleagues in our industry, and they confirmed how difficult it is to find personnel with the right knowledge and how schools are lacking courses on aircraft management or a practical approach to aircraft management. With these workshops, we want to help aviation students and young aviation professionals stepping into aviation, understanding what aircraft management is and the different aspects of it, in order to provide them with a strong base, a strong foundation on which they can build their career. Lastly, aviation lawyers, brokers, and consultants involved with the delivery and redelivery of aircraft. We've been involved with a number of aircraft delivery and redelivery and work with different lawyers, consultants, and brokers. Whether an operator is dealing with an old or a new aircraft delivery, it is crucial that everybody involved in the project is on the same page and that every party is involved understands each other's duties and responsibilities. This is because each party has specific steps to take in order to make the project happen. And what we have seen very often is a disconnection between lawyers, consultants involved in a delivery. And for example, one case that happened to me with one of my client repositioned an aircraft to a maintenance facility suggested by the broker, but it ended up repositioning the aircraft to another facility because the maintenance facility suggested by the broker didn't meet the requirement dictated by the aircraft registry. And this affected the entire project, causing delays and extra cost. Another example is when sometimes lawyers ask for a deregistration of an aircraft to an authority while the airworthiness organization is still working on other documents that are fundamental for the export and the deregistration of the aircraft. So this disconnection is something to really consider and to look close to. So with these workshops, we want for these professional lawyers, consultants and brokers to have a better understanding of the dynamics of aircraft management and their role in it. Once again, for details on these workshops, visit cscglobalsolutions.com/workshops. These workshops are for sale now, and early bird prices are available until September 24th. They can be purchased individually or in our all-in-one package on our website. The first workshop is going to be on October 9th, so go on our website and reserve your spot. Thank you so much for your time and for watching, and bye for now.